This is the day, guys, that Project Nemesis makes a huge leap forward. You can see Matt's already working back there. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun one, guys. Big update on the channel. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and guys, like you saw in the intro there, we finally have a major progress update here on Nemesis. Hopefully, we're kind of in the middle of it right now. Matt's been doing some last minute weldings because we're about to have the sandblasting done here at Fox Resto. So you have probably seen, actually I'm gonna throw that in here in just a second, of what he's done. And we're gonna cut the braces out. And yeah, the sandblaster is gonna get here and maybe even paint today, guys, maybe. And that was the moment my battery died. Hazards of YouTube. Like I was saying, we're gonna try to actually get painting done today too. We're not painting the whole car. I'm road racing the car, in case you don't know, but I am gonna paint some of it, right? I replaced the cowl on this, and really, I keep saying Matt's obviously been a huge help. He is better at welding than me, so we have the sandblaster coming, running short on time. And guys, we're just gonna hustle. So come along for the ride. And if you love the channel, if you love the coupe, this project, you've been waiting for this is the big one, guys. Let's get into it. Interrupting the time lapse because check this out. I'm pretty excited for the first time in, I don't know, 18 months, something like that. It's actually back on the ground. It's back on the ground. Wheels and tires are on. I got to do a little bit of button up in the rear and no big deal, diff cover. And then this bracing is about to be cut out. So that is the next thing you're going to see in the time lapse, is us cutting the bracing out. We did that way back when because you're pulling the cowl out, you can change kind of like, I don't know, the structural integrity of the car. Is that appropriate thing to call it, Matt?
It's exactly what it is. You destroy the structural integrity. It
Yep.
just starts...
Lose all the alignment and all that, right?
Yeah, the alignment of the body panels. Don't even talk about the wheel alignment.
Yeah. So if we had not done the bracing, the alignment of the entire car, we'd have to redo it, lose our structural integrity. So that's why we did that. But those are about to come out. Getting really close, guys. Running out of time though, so I got to keep moving here. Got to keep moving. Okay guys, so you know one of the things that we have to do today is sandblasting, and if you've been watching the channel for a while, Matt and I have been doing it ourselves, and let me tell you, it ain't fun. And we've got a lot to do today. We got to do the whole engine compartment, we got to do parts of the A-pillar, the windshield, so I decided to go ahead and call in some help. I'm actually here today with John. John, welcome to the channel.
What's up? How y'all guys doing?
I hope they leave a comment down below if you like this video, but Rusty Rig Blasting Service is your business name, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what I like about it, first thing you told me is you're a Mustang guy.
Yep.
And let's show them over. He already showed me, guys. This is so cool.
Yeah, this is the air compressor.
This is the air compressor. Look, badges might give it away.
Yeah.
That's a FoxBody badge.
It's a 78 model Grimmersmith, made in USA.
Look at that. That's your 5 liter right there.
She's pretty neat.
Yeah. So this has all your all your compressor.
Yeah, this side of the engine is just a regular 85 50 Mustang head with an 85 roller block. And this side of the engine is the air compressor.
Okay. Oh yeah, look at that.
It's called a monoblock air compressor.
Does this actually have a head, or it's all blocked off, I guess?
There's no intake ports.
Okay.
The intake ports are actually under the valve cover. There's 4 of them. And on top of each cylinder, there's a 4-inch valve called a Sentry valve.
Yeah.
And it's basically just a 2-way valve. It lets air go in, but doesn't let it come out. It sucks it in through this pipe from the air cleaner, and then it shoots it out of this 2.5-inch pipe to the front up here. And on the front up here, we have a air-to-air intercooler. Show the camera up in here. You have to never mind that hose clamp mess. I needed the V-band flange for that, but didn't have it.
So basically, you're supercharged here almost, right?
Well, it's cooling the air coming out.
Okay.
From the factory, they rated it at 125 CFM.
Okay.
But it only had a 3/4-inch hose on it. So whenever I rebuilt it, I said, well, that hose melted off in a couple of hours.
Yeah.
I figure I better cool it off somehow.
Hey, there you go. That's smart.
Yeah, that EM USA intercooler will hold 125 PSI.
All right, he's tested it. So there we go. This is kind of neat because my 5.0 car is getting sandblasted by 5.0 engines.
That's right.
Well, you also do all kinds of blasting though, right? It's not just cars, you do anything.
Buildings, pools, driveways, anything with rust on it.
Okay.
Or paint, or anything. As long as it's not lead paint, I don't mess with that.
All right, no worries. Hopefully most of that's gone out of here these days, but.
Right, but I did make the blasting pot. That's
okay.
By me. I fabricated all that. Stole my race car trailer and put all this stuff on, so it's mobile.
Awesome. Well, if they want to get in touch with you, you've got a number we can call for you?
704-476-5928. And I do dry, wet, any kind of media, anytime, anywhere, as long as it's in North Carolina.
Awesome. All right, so you heard it, guys, all in North Carolina, not just Charlotte where I'm at. I'll have his information also up on the screen so you can give him a call. But right now, Matt and I got to push Nemesis out. We got to push the coupe out, and then we're going to let John, we're going to catch her on camera, so we'll see. Yeah, let's get it done. All right, guys, the sun is going down, but we are all done, actually. The sandblasting is done. John did a great job. I mean, take a look. I'm just gonna show you around the metal here. So you guys know what it looked like before. We also got all in the cowl. There was some rust inside the cowl there. And even did my floor panels. Now, good floor panels, but found a little bit of surface rust there. More so on the passenger side. We got all up underneath here as well. It's looking really good. I've got my gloves on, so when I'm touching the car, I'm not leaving residue and things like that. And some of you guys are gonna ask the question, I know you are, about rust inhibitors and things like that. So John actually has something. He's still here. Let me get him real quick on this. All right, yeah, so here we got John again. You're de-suited now, so you're probably a little more comfortable.
Yeah, looking like a redneck.
That's all right. But yeah, so this is like what to prevent rust prevention, I guess, right?
This is the water treatment that you put in the water.
Okay.
They make 2 different kinds. One's called Hold Tight. This is called Express Blast Light. Okay. But it says on here 72 hours of rust prevention.
So 3 days basically. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
3 days.
All right, so I know I got a lot of car guys watch your channel, so I know they'd like to hear that, you know, you got good stuff in there to prevent the rust. So very cool.
That's the way to do it, man.
All right.
It definitely is.
Well, I think she turned out pretty good. What do you think?
I like it.
I think it's going to be fast with that 347.
Yeah,
what do you
let's
think?
get her going. Try to wheel
The
it.
weight of that paint off of there and all that rust.
Hey,
man, you can
right.
make a couple tenths of a second.
Well, it looks good, John. You did a good job. So I do want to thank you. And again, guys, if you need somebody to come out and do some mobile sandblasting for you, whatever it is, doesn't have to be cars, but this channel, probably going to be cars.
Yeah.
Hit John up anywhere in North Carolina, right?
Yeah, man.
All right, we appreciate it. We actually got the car back inside. It is now nighttime. It's been a long day here, but we are about to do some paint. Matt is gathering the materials and everything needed for that. But as you saw outside, sandblasting done, down to bare metal. One thing that we really don't want to happen is to let it sit and not paint it and have it rust. Because even though he used that rust preventative, like he said, it was only good for 3 days. And even then, just not want to take the risk. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that tonight. I've never painted before. Probably no big surprise to you guys who have been watching the channel. So this will be a first time for me painting. Probably not gonna look very good, but that's okay because we are going for the rat rod look, you know? That's why all this is actually gonna stay. Just, I think I told you guys that before, but we are not making this look nice and shiny. We're going for rat rod, FHP, as like it's an undead Florida Highway Patrol car. Tonight we're just getting primer. We're not doing full paint, but we want to stop that rust. Matt is over there working on the paint gun. I guess we're about ready to start, right, Matt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, one thing I forgot. We did save this, guys. Check this out. This is my original FHP in-service date and unit number, B2309. We were able to save this. I really wanted to do that. It's pretty cool. So before we start putting primer down, we're gonna mask that off again. I guess it's just time. I know this is more a time-lapse video, but it's what we got to do sometimes. So we're gonna get in here and let's see what it looks like. So here's the before, and let's cut to the time lapse and see what happens. All right, there you go, guys. Oh, wait. Oh, I still got the fan going. Hold on. Okay, fan kill. Good audio. Let's get in good lighting. Long day for me. Check it out, guys. Saw in the time lapse, we have put primer on. First time painting ever. Is it perfect? Not even close. But is it gonna rust? Shouldn't rust. What do you think, Matt?
Probably not.
Probably not. Probably not. So there you go. Yeah, we're having a little bit of trouble with the gun. Also, me being a first time painter, you saw Matt coming in there during the time lapse, helping me out, figure some stuff out. But he actually said, I'm picking this up better than welding. You guys know how that went. If you didn't, go check out the videos. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. This is a big step. Big video here for Nemesis. We got primer everywhere we could. Everywhere we could. So yeah, that's it. I think that's it. We're not gonna do any more tonight, right? I'm gonna do more tonight. No, I agree with that. We're all done. This is probably a long video. I don't know, short video. I have no idea, but I'm tired and we got it primed, sanded. I'm pretty happy, but I'm pretty tired. So if you want to see this car finished, you gotta stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, do all that stuff. And yeah, you can tell I'm tired because I messed up my outro. So let me do that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping here for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload 1 time a week every Wednesday. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. You love Nemesises, you love coupes, Nemesises, oh boy. But one big thing we do not want to happen. Oh my God. But before I end the video here, you know what? I'll just have that in the next video. Forget about it, I'm not gonna include it.